What if we told you a foldable phone just got a premium version that actually costs less than the regular one? Yep, Huawei just surprised everyone with the Pocket to Premium Edition, and it flips the usual idea of premium on its head. Now let's be honest. When you hear the word premium, your brain probably thinks more expensive, maybe some extra features, and probably a few tweaks in design. But Huawei's idea of premium this time is a bit different. They're offering the Pocket to Premium Edition at 5,499 yuan for the 256GB model and 5,999 yuan for the 512GB version. That's 2,000 yuan cheaper than the original Pocket 2, which launched at 7,499 yuan. And you're probably thinking, alright, what's missing? That's the thing we don't know for sure yet. On the outside, the design looks the same as the standard Pocket 2. Same vertical fold, same elegant finish, and you can get it in Tahitian gray, Rococo white, taro purple, or elegant black. But what really has people talking is the rumor about a new processor, possibly the Kirin 9020A. If true, this new chip could offer 35% better performance than the Kirin 9000s found in the Mate 60 Pro. So, Huawei might be giving you a faster phone for less money. We'll know more at the official sale event on June 26th at 10:08 a.m. when the phones go live on Mall and other official Huawei stores in China. As for the display, it's still the same beautiful setup. The main screen is a 6.94-inch OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, 300Hz touch sampling rate, and 1440Hz PWM dimming for smooth, eye-friendly visuals. The outer display is a small 1.15-inch OLED screen, great for checking notifications and using quick tools on the go. Inside, the phone runs on HarmonyOS 4.0, and although this premium edition comes in 256 and 512GB, the original also had a 1TB option, which we may or may not see here. The camera system remains solid and reliable. You get a 50MP main camera with optical image stabilization, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, an 8MP telephoto shooter, and a 2MP hyperspectral sensor for more detail in your photos. The front camera is a 10.7MP, ultra-wide, making it easy to take group selfies without needing a selfie stick. For power, you get a 4,520 mAh battery, paired with 66-watt fast charging, which should charge your phone quickly and last most of the day. Other features include IPX8 water resistance, two-way Beidou satellite messaging, UV protection checks, and even cute animated pet themes on the cover screen. It's a small but fun touch. So, in simple terms, this new premium edition seems to be about giving users more for less. If the rumors about the upgraded chip turn out to be true, Huawei might have just pulled off one of the smartest foldable phone updates this year. We'll have to wait until launch date to see the full story. But it's already shaping up to be something worth watching. What do you think about this move by Huawei? Would you buy a premium version that's cheaper? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this update helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more news just like this. Thanks for watching. What happens when a foldable phone starts to look and feel like a regular phone? That's exactly what Samsung seems to be aiming for with the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and based on the latest leaks, this could be their sleekest and most user-friendly foldable yet. With Samsung's Unpacked event expected on July 9th in New York City, we're starting to see more leaks show up, and they're giving us a good idea of what to expect. One thing is already clear: Samsung's goal this year is all about making the Fold thinner, lighter, and better to use in everyday life. A fresh set of renders, shared by Android Headlines, shows the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in two colors, jet black, and a new shade called Blue Shadow. That blue version might be the signature color for Samsung's upcoming lineup, as it's also been spotted on the next Galaxy Watch Ultra. But while the colors are nice to look at, the real excitement is about The new design. According to the leaks, the Z Fold 7 could measure around 4.5 millimeters in thickness when unfolded. To give you some context, last year's Galaxy Z Fold 6 measured 5.6 millimeters unfolded, so we're talking about a noticeable reduction. This isn't just a small design tweak. It changes how the phone feels in your pocket, in your hand, and when you're using it with one hand. Besides slimming down, the phone is also expected to get bigger displays. The outer cover screen, which is the one you use when the phone is closed, may grow from 6.3 inches to 6.5 inches. Meanwhile, the inner foldable screen is said to increase from 7.6 inches to a massive 8.2 inches. That's a big jump and could make a real difference when it comes to watching videos, working on the go, or even just reading. A wider screen also means fewer compromises when switching from a regular phone experience to a more tablet-like view. Samsung has been teasing this thinner form factor in recent social media posts, so the focus on design isn't just rumor, it's something the company clearly wants people to notice. The Z Fold 7 might also be significantly lighter than the Fold 6, though the exact weight hasn't been confirmed yet. This could be great news for anyone who's been turned off by how heavy foldables can feel. A lighter and thinner foldable might finally be the push some people need to consider switching to this form factor. It also makes sense from a practical point of view. If Samsung wants more people to use foldables every day, they need to make sure these phones are easy to carry and use for long periods. Bulky foldables might grab attention, but thin and light ones are what people are more likely to stick with. And that seems to be the direction Samsung is taking with the Galaxy Z Fold 7, making it more comfortable without taking away the large screen and flexible design that make it special in the first place. This year's upgrade could end up being one of the most important ones in the Fold series. Not because of flashy new features, but because Samsung is finally refining what a foldable phone should feel like. A big screen that fits easily in your pocket, a tablet experience without the bulk, a foldable that doesn't feel like a prototype anymore. And if the final product matches what these leaks are showing, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might be the foldable that wins over more people than ever before. If you're looking forward to Samsung's next big release and want to stay updated with the latest leaks, make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button. We'll be covering all the news before and after the Unpacked event, so don't miss out.
Ever feel like smartphone batteries just aren't getting any better no matter how expensive the phone is? Well, if you've been waiting for Samsung to finally fix that with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, we've got some news, and it's not great. Let's rewind a bit. When we think about premium smartphones, we expect top performance, amazing cameras, and long battery life. But Samsung seems to be stuck in one place, especially when it comes to battery power. According to a trusted source, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to come with the same 5,000 mAh battery we've seen in past Ultra models.